Futurama, man, season 3. Y'all wanted season 3. Y'all said season 3 was golden. Let's see.
I can't wait.
What happened? Oh.
Notify. B-E-N-D-E-R.
Bender?
Bender. B-E-N-D-E-R. Bender. Say
Hey.
E-A-N-D.
Your grandfather died.
Oh.
Amy, here's your designer lingerie catalog. Fry, Sadie's bra parade, and Leela, bulk underpants outlet.
You buy one pair of
Granny
underwear
panties.
and you're on their list forever.
And for Bender, a black boy.
Someone you know must have died.
I hope it was
Inheritance.
one of my enemies.
Yep.
Those guys suck.
You look rich.
No, my Uncle Vladimir.
Oh, I'm sorry, Bender.
Vladimir.
When's the funeral?
Tomorrow at the family castle, followed by the reading of his
Castle?
will.
Wow.
Well, I'm rich. Goodbye, losers whom I've always hated. Come on, it'll be fun.
Come on. He really be that type.
Goodbye, losers that I always hated.
Shit.
What's that?
That's gonna be me when I leave my
Pardon
job.
me, my good simpleton.
Damn.
Wow,
Take us
losers.
beyond castle.
For real. Me too.
Some say unholy.
Yes, you idiot. The circuit diagram is right here on the inside of your case.
I choose to believe what I was programmed to believe.
Damn.
Ooh. Like
I will
this
go this
castle.
far and no further.
He right here.
And so we commend Vladimir's to filings. Rust
Wow.
to rust.
I wonder if this is gonna be like people disappearing one by one type shit.
Like a Clue episode from Family Guy.
Yeah.
To my
That'd be
loyal
really cool.
butler, you there, for his decade. To my lazy, spoiled son, Tandy, who never learned the value of $1, I leave my entire $10 million fortune.
Damn.
And to my loving nephew, Bender, assuming he's not responsible for my death, I leave my castle,
Yes, let's stay there tonight.
on condition that he spend one night within its walls.
Oh, man, there's always a catch.
One night, that's all it takes.
Yeah, that's all it takes. One night is all it takes.
I get a good vibe from this place. Nice long
Good
dinner
vibe.
table, quiet, well-behaved
Who's gonna get shot?
spiders, graveyard
Somebody's gonna get
adjacent.
shot.
Yep,
They're at the
it's
table.
gonna be.
What is it?
Tim detectors.
Short as my butt, but I don't frame it and put it on the wall. Although,
Although,
Oh, hell no.
someone's missing.
I don't know, but it's
Oh.
infectious.
But he got up though.
Oh,
I knew it was you.
No doubt about it.
Silly mon. The last ghost died over 200 years ago.
The last human
What?
ghost, but robot ghosts. Ah.
robot ghost.
01011001001.
Oh my God.
What does it mean?
It's just gibberish. 10100111010. Ah!
Tell me. Microsoft.
Uncle Vladimir!
Come, Bender, aid.
That's what they said about being
Hell no.
alive.
That's what they about who? Bill Nye?
I'm being alive.
Oh, being alive. I kind of want to see what that 101 shit means.
Oh yeah.
Because you can actually
Just
spell
as
shit
I
with that shit,
suspected.
right?
These robots were buried in improperly shielded coffins. Their programming leaked into
Hopefully
the
the
castle's
comments tell me
wiring
what
through
that
this
mean-
old
what that
abandoned
means.
modem, allowing them to project.
So obvious.
Yes, that sequence
Is it
of
really
words I
like
said
that?
made perfect sense. We really should.
Oh,
Is that a car?
oh, hello, governor.
Yeah, for real. Oh damn! He really. Yo, that really is.
Bender, wake up!
Damn, bro.
Oh.
He's okay. Have any liquor?
Bender, what happened?
A wolf!
Poor Bender. You're seeing things. You've been drinking too much or too little.
Booth.
Unheard of.
At porno theater.
Robot porno theater? I was in that general area last night. Whoever ran me down out on the moors must... I'm scared.
Didn't follow him, I don't think.
I don't know.
He's like a werewolf, right? So if he got hit, it's like getting bit. And that's like him.
I don't know which I like more.
Yeah, that car is Bender himself.
Something.
That's what I was saying.
It was probably just
He got
a
bit by the
golden
were
one on
car.
set.
It's silver. I think the other car was red.
No golden mama
Yeah.
I ever heard. Hey, what are you wearing tomorrow?
Oh,
Oh shit.
no.
Hello, Governor. Oh, for sure.
What the? I'm scared. We're all scared. It's the human condition. Why do you think I put on this tough guy facade? I need professional help.
Someone
and
needs to
damn
stay
the
with him for the
expense.
night.
For real.
Damn the expense.
My
5
friend,
cents.
you have nothing to worry about in horror.
Phew.
For you see, you are a were-car.
Were car.
Where, car?
Car that ran you down on the moors was also a were-zero. Your hardware reconfigures into a murderous four-wheeled car.
I can enough to get away with it. Can't you help me?
Yes, but you must be willing to pay a terrible price.
Yeah,
5 cents.
Follow me.
What the?
According to this ancient you want to die?
No, I want to live.
God
There's still
damn.
too many things I don't own.
Then leave and
I wouldn't want to be me right now.
now go. Go!
Damn.
Could one of you just forget it. I'll just sleep here.
There. No
That's not gonna
rampaging
help.
for you tonight.
Wouldn't it
Right.
make more sense to weld everyone except me to the wall?
Just relax, Bender. Tomorrow we'll pry you down, have a nice breakfast, and then go hunt down.
Midnight. Damn. That's so weird.
Yeah. Pretty cool though. If only he could like maintain and handle that power. He can just drive Bender around.
Right?
That's
Oh no. Oh shit. Oh.
damn.
You jerk! I thought I was your best friend. What kind of two-timing killmobile are you?
Actually gonna hit her?
Hell no. They did that on purpose.
Oh shit.
Yeah, can't do shit now.
Yup.
I can't believe this. Bender's supposed to degree murder me.
Could you give me some help? I think Bender crushed my foot.
Stop rubbing it in.
Stupid.
I didn't hurt you, did I?
Not physically, But why don't you ask your new best friend, Leela?
I
He's
tried
so
to run
salty.
you over.
Damn.
It was very sweet of you, Bender.
Fry, it doesn't mean anything. I have
Words. Nothing but sweet, sweet words that
This is
turn into
stupid.
bitter orange wax in my ears.
Enough with
salty.
the feelings, you two. If we're gonna cure Bender, we've got to go.
Eagle Eye.
Now it's daylight, so he should be in robot form. But be careful.
see what's what. I pound him till
Get ye to your villagers.
Hey,
Jeez.
We are not ignorant villagers.
What are ye doing?
we're wailing on.
See? Nee. I
See?
mean, no. I was given the. I was attacked by a vicious
Oh, wow.
motorized sled. The natives called it the abominable snowmobile.
Yes, and 100 others. Even my
about
best
the
friend from
OG?
aromatherapy school.
I once had a best friend who liked to smell things with me.
Alas, I'm afraid I'm not the original werecar. You know him as...
Really?
Calcula.
Wow.
Oh, fate most cruel. Would that my 1,000 years ago.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Down.
whoa. You're 1,000 years old? 7.
Lies! I change my identity and upgrade my appearance every few original work.
Give us a name, McButt.
The year was 2019, and I was just a lowly robot arm working in an automotive research lab. I was working on Project Satan. A
Yeah, that's
savage,
that
intelligent
Satan
military
dude.
vehicle built for the most evil parts of the most evil cars in wheel from Hitler's staff car, the left turn
Damn.
signal from Charles Manson's VW, the
hell.
windshield wipers from that car that played Knight Rider.
Knight Rider wasn't evil.
His windshield wipers were. It didn't come up much in the show, though. Anyway, only after bringing evil.
Oh, shit.
So what happened to Project Satan?
It's either in Paris or...
His silver potato.
It is.
Oh, wow.
It looks so.
Squishing them till their
Oh,
organs.
fuck.
We need to destroy that car.
Look, everyone
what the-
loves killing people, but I don't want to hurt my friends.
Oh, no. 2v2.
It's midnight.
Hey, this is starting to...
Oh, shit.
Distract
Damn.
him.
Hey, Project Satan, 20 points.
Damn.
Oh, boy.
Leela.
I feel like a car in a candy store.
Hey, he did choose him, though. He's gonna be happy.
Yes. He chose me. He's trying to kill me. I'm so happy.
Ow!
He's so stupid. Oh.
Oh, thanks, Bender. Too tight. Too tight. Ooh.
Ooh. Oh.
The hell? Oh, shit. Oh. You're on his team, I thought. There you go.
Bender, you're
I'll be
cured.
a good guy this time.
But what happened to Fry?
I must have killed him. I killed him.
He's inside him.
I never felt so empty inside.
Bender, I'm alive.
I can't
you didn't
believe
hurt
you
me
can
at
fit.
all. But I know
Right?
you wanted to, and that's what matters.
Hey, that's my last beer, you bastard!
I'll kill you too, buddy. I'll kill you too.
Stupid. Okay. Started season 3. I thought the episode was okay. It wasn't to me. I've seen better, but it was funny. It had funny moments. Looking forward to the next one. See how season 3 pans out. What about you?
Yeah, same here, man. You know, I feel like I've seen the story before, sort of, you know, in some way. But yeah, it's cool. It's cool. I'm ready for the next.
Cool. See y'all in the next one.